Yo, what it do? It's your boy Jay Starks, the One Wheel Wing, baby, a friendly neighborhood one-wheeler, back with another episode of Under the Helmet, though he's not wearing the helmet. But hey, yo, look at this guy's setup. So this is Greg, great rider from my area, king of the slippies. He's got his own setup here. Is that a GT or XR underneath?
It's an XR.
Okay.
It's an XR.
Okay, heck yeah. All right.
We got a car coming.
All right, we do have a car coming. He's got his own Ryobi air
I got AC, bro.
AC while he's riding. That's cool, man.
I need a horn. I'm gonna get a horn next.
Okay. So, as many of you know, I'm based on the East Coast. Greg as well is based on the East Coast. I'm gonna fire some questions at him. He's gonna answer while he cruising. All right, number one question. How long have you been riding?
Bro, I've been riding a year and 2 months.
Okay, heck yeah. And what's your full name? And how can people find you online?
My real name is Greg Welch,
Uh-huh.
but I go by Greg Welch on Instagram.
Okay.
And on Facebook, and that's where I put up my stuff, man. And I try to just spread the love, dude.
Heck yeah, I'll tag you. Always good vibes
Yeah.
when I come across your page.
Yeah.
I'll be honest, I'm not someone who's like spends time actively on Instagram.
Right.
I post, and then if I see stuff, that is what it is. But I don't spend time like digging.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
your
yeah,
page
yeah,
is
yeah,
always
yeah,
your
yeah.
page is always positive, man.
Bro, thank you, man. I mean, you know, here's my philosophy, brother. The world has enough bad news as it is right now. We need more people spreading the good news. You know
Facts.
what I'm saying?
Agreed. I'm trying to get out my shadow.
Yeah,
off you.
yeah. No, you good, but I think it takes less work, man, to share joy and love than it does to get worked up and upset about
Heck
things.
yeah,
man.
no, for sure.
No
Heck
drama
yeah.
llama, bro.
No doubt, no, for sure, man.
Oh.
Yo, so okay, a few questions.
Yeah.
What's your favorite board to ride?
Oh, that's my growler right now, bro. I got the Platy Sense 3.1. Shout out to Landsurf if I can, man.
Yeah, heck yeah. Plug
He's-
whoever.
He's got that new front foot pad that is the concave wide foot pad. He'd made some changes from version 1, and like he fixed everything that I was like hoping he would. Bro, it's like a skateboard, and that's kind of, you know, that's how I like to ride.
Heck yeah.
So yeah, that's my favorite.
Heck yeah.
My growler with the Platy.
Word. If you could tell the world who didn't know anything about Onewheel, what would you tell them?
Oh my gosh, it'll change your life. It'll change your life. The people will change your life. The board will change your life. It'll give you what COVID took away from you.
Ooh, wow, nice one. And then if you could just say anything to the world in the interview, what would you tell them?
Oh, bro, I would say I love you, man.
Word,
I love
respect.
you. More
Respect.
people need to hear those words.
Heck yeah, no, for sure. All right, y'all. This is Greg Welch signing out. Float Life Fest.
Let's get it.
We out here.